Lesson 10. The adverb. An adverb is a part of speech used to describe a verb, adjective, clause or another adverb. It simply tells the readers how, where, when or the degree at which something was done. Example: the manager accepted the challenge very nicely. There are different kinds of adverbs expressing different meanings. The following are some of the common ones. 1. Adverbs of time. An adverb of time tells us when something is done or happens. We use it at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. We use it as a form of emphasis when we place it at the beginning. Adverbs of time include words such as already, always, immediately, last month, now, soon, then and yesterday. Examples: 1. He collapsed and died yesterday. 2. His factory was burned down a few months ago. 2. Adverbs of place. An adverb of place tells us where something is done or happens. We use it after the verb, object or at the end of a sentence. Adverb of place include words such as above, below, between, around, here, outside, over, there, under, upstairs. Examples: 1. We can stop here for lunch. 2. He is below contempt. 3. Adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner tells us how something is done or happens. Most adverbs of manner ends in by, such as badly, happily, sadly, slowly, quickly, and others that include well, hard, fast, etc. Examples: 1. The brothers were badly injured in the fight. 2. They had to act fast to save the others floating in the water. 3. At the advanced age of 88, she still sang very well. 4. Adverbs of degree. An adverb of degree tells us the level or extent that something is done or happens. Words of adverb of degree are almost, much, nearly, quite, really, so, too, very, etc. Examples: 1. Her daughter is quite fat for her age. 2. The accident victim nearly died from his injuries. 3. After all these years, she is still feeling very sad about her father's death. 5. Adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency tells us how often something is done or happens. Words used as adverbs of frequency includes again, almost, always, ever, frequently, generally, hardly, ever, nearly, never, occasionally, often, rarely, seldom, sometimes, twice, usually and weekly. Examples: 1. They were almost 50 when they got married. 2. He hardly ever says something nice to his wife. 3. He complained that she never smiled back. 6. Adverbs of number. These adverbs answer the questions in what order. Examples are firstly, secondly, lastly, once, never, twice, etc. Examples: 1. I have seen him only once. 2. Secondly, I can't afford to buy it. Like, share, and subscribe.